Hi, I'm Kevin Preston with Boniface Hires Auto Group, and I'm here to tell you about the 2023 Dodge Charger Super Bee Special Edition. What makes this the fastest naturally aspirated muscle car ever made is a 6.4-liter V8 nestled firmly underneath the hood. Produces 485 horsepower and 475 foot-pounds of torque. That equates out to a 4.3 second 0 to 60 and 11.7 second quarter mile. Included on the Super Bee is an 8.4-inch Uconnect entertainment system, which includes the SRT dashboard, giving you features such as line lock, adjustable launch control with different RPM choices to launch at, as well as the performance pages gauges to give you an accurate idea of what's going on while you push this car to the limit. This particular vehicle also includes the carbon and suede option package, so you'll get authentic carbon fiber treatment on the interior, a suede headliner, suede inserts on the seat to hold you in place, as well as a slew of other carbon fiber treatments spaced throughout the interior to give you a nice curb appeal. One of the defining features of this drag-oriented machine is the 3-mode adaptive suspension system. This adaptive dampening system allows the driver to include modes such as drag mode, which is going to give you optimal weight transfer to the rear wheels. Equipped with the 20-inch Nextons, that's going to really help get that power to the ground and get this thing launched down the track fast. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more videos on cars just like this one, and if you want to take a look at this Super Bee, come down to Boniface Hires Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Cocoa, Florida. Thank you.